Hi Divas. As you can see here, I have a mystery painting from Diamond Art Club. It is a square. And it is a mystery kit of nature. It's one of the newer ones that came out. It is an 82 by 65 centimeter. And it is by Linda Howard Bittner. I don't know her as an artist. Well, I'm looking forward to seeing what's in the box. Don't forget that on every box and packing slip you get QR codes for percents off. If you haven't ordered yet from Diamond Art Club, you can click my link below for 15% off of your very first order. This one, let's see. Let's get this goodie out here to show you. Ooh. First we have the kit to help you create your masterpiece. And in the kit, I think all the ones that are coming out, all the new ones that are coming out now have the new kits. Have these new kits. I don't see any new ones that are coming out with. Okay, this is a lot of baggies. A lot of baggies in here. And I have a clear boat with the gold flecks with the stopper on it. That way you take the stopper out when you want to pour, and you put the stopper in when you want to shake them all about to get them lined up to work with. You have a pen and a squishy to put on there to save your hands. You get the wax, 2 little hearts of wax in a little container so they don't dry out. For the squares, you get a pointy tweezers. I love these tweezers. Love them, love them, love them. And yes, I do use them to diamond paint with. You get 2 multi-placers. I have a 4 and a 7 here. And I do use those too. You get a washi tape. Oh, this is pretty. You get a random washi tape. And I use that around the edges to help them stay straight and to keep the fuzzies off the edges. And the first one I've gotten, I think, a cover minder that holds your plastic back for you in the shape of a diamond. Cool. Very cool. Now these were not promotional. This one I purchased on my own. I have a few to show you that I purchased on my own. I am not just a, I don't just get the freebies, I buy them on my own too, so I just wanted to show you that. And of course we have the what to do and what not to do about showing your kit. And basically it says thank you for purchasing one of our mystery kits, and don't share too much of it online because you want other people to be surprised as to what it's going to look like. And I will show you bits and pieces of it today. I won't show you I'll give you spoilers here. Alright. Excuse me. This is a big painting. The other ones I have upcoming to show you are a little less. As I'm wrestling this out of its package, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, I'm going to have a big blowout giveaway, and you can sign up for the live giveaway for free by filling out one of the member questionnaires that's linked below. Or you can email me at wandasworkbasket@gmail.com, and I will be very glad to send you the questionnaire for you to mail back to me. Just a little guy. There's usually a little guy too. Oh, I dropped it. Yeah. Alright, you get a little sticker and a big sticker. And of course they don't show you anything. It's just the question mark. And on the big sticker, it gives you the individual, oh, how many are there on here? Holy cow, 67 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ABs. Holy cow, guys. 6 Aurora Borealis, the shimmery ones. Ooh, I can't wait. And they give you the thank you brochure too. And of course, when I show you the stickers, you know that these are individual stickers that can go on your baggies or containers that you kit up in. Kitting up is what we call getting ready to diamond paint, and you sort out all your colors. Taking them from these blister pack trains to some easy access, either baggies or containers. 67 colors, everyone. These colors are gorgeous. I have some seafoam colors. Ooh, I wonder if it's a sea picture. I don't know. There's purple. There's every color in the rainbow in here. Well, that doesn't help me figure it out, does it? Ooh, look at the purple. The dark green. Ooh. I see a green AB in here. A yellow AB. A purple AB. A gray AB. A white AB. Oh, wow. You know, I like these. The mystery paintings are usually always square because, as you know, when you put squares up against each other, there's no gaps in between. There really isn't that much of a gap at all in between the drills. So that the back of this is all white, and it's easier to cover it with the squares. If you use rounds, there's always that little diamond shape in between 4 different round ones that you can see the background on, and they like to use the full color in the background rather than the white and black in the background, because then you have this white sticking up in between each of the different colors if they were round. So until they figure out something else to do without giving it away, you will mainly see squares. Oh boy. I don't want to show you too much at a time, but this is the way the canvases come. They come like every Diamond Art Club painting with a deckled edge to keep it from fraying. Pinked because it has that like a pinking shears on the edge, and poked because it has that it looks like a sewing needle poked through it without leaving thread there. It has a nice sparkly soft canvas, which is stiff enough but also soft enough to work with. And you can see the symbols. Hopefully you can see this. You put it too close, there's a shadow on it here. I don't want to do that either. So, yeah. Okay. I don't want to show you too much of it because it will be a surprise. Show you a piece at a time here. I know what it is. Oh, I'm looking forward to doing this one. Alright. It's a little bit of a challenge. I've done one before and it's a little bit of a challenge, but once you get used to seeing it all in black and white and looking for your symbol that's in black and white, it works fine. Diamond Art Club uses such different symbols that it's hard to see where 2 of them might be alike. So it's nice that way. It's very easy to tell where the differences in symbols are. Okay? Alright. Well, I hope you've liked this unboxing for the Mystery Nature Kit from Linda Howard Bittner. And I'll show you it as it's coming along. Alright, don't forget to sign up below. Bye, Divas.